running for no reason. What the fuck? Yo, that shit move. Yo, we out here. Yo. What's up? We outside with it. Fifth root. Kifton, right? Damn, nice. Calm shit, calm. Oh, I ain't even know I'm recording. Ear. What's good, guys? It's your boy Ant on the go. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. How you guys doing today? I know I've been supposed to put out this video, but I've been so busy. Shout out to all my subscribers. Everybody that been subscribing since day one, thank you. You know what I'm saying? You guys are the best. A shout out to you. Thank you so much. And yeah, you know, it's been a great week. You know what I'm saying? It's just been a roller coaster. I've just been really busy. You know what I'm saying? It's been crazy. You know, these releases have been crazy. If you see my last video on the Jordan 9s, it was epic. I'm like, yo, make sure I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can check it out. But yeah, so crazy. You know what I'm saying? And I'm pretty hyped for these sneakers that I'm about to show you guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm really excited. I'm lit, you know. Let me show you the box. So I got these brand new sneakers. When was it? Last week. You know. Ear. Was Gucci, bro?
Chillin', G, chillin'. What's the vibes with you?
So over the last week, I copped some new sneakers, you know. It was pretty hype, pretty epic, you know. And these are the brand new sneakers that I got. So first, you'll notice the box, you know, the orange box with the Nike check. This is really nice because not only that, it's a brick box, you know, it's really creative. You know, it got the Jumpman on the side. It's a size 9. It got the, you know, the Jumpman right here. You know, it's a nice, Nike always, you know, always creative, you know. They always do amazing creative stuff. And they, you know, they really put their creativity into their sneakers, their box, down to the shoelace. Like, Nike is really innovative, you know. And this is no, you know, I'm not, you know, I really love Nike. I'm not going to lie. Nike is my #1 favorite brand. I ain't going to lie, like, Nike winning. You know, they winning right now. But you see the Nike right here. Nike logo. And this collaboration was really big. This was his, what, 7th collaboration with Nike he ever did, you know. This is the 7th sneaker. And yeah, these are pretty amazing. These are the first, you know, well, let me open it and show you. So, you know, got the lid, you know, brick lid. And then it comes like this. You know, it comes like that, which is pretty cool. Now let me open it. It got the, oh, okay, they put it, yo, Nike, yo, this is really cool. This is really cool. They put it in a plastic bag, and then, you know, the wrap, and then bam, here comes the sneaker guy. Woo, woo, bam, ooh, ooh, yeah, ooh, hey, it's lit. Oh, it smells so great, guys. And that's a great way to see if your sneakers are really real or fake. You just smell the sneaker. That's one perfect giveaway to see if the sneaker is fake or real. But these sneakers, oh my God, these sneakers are so amazing. Like, now these, I'm not gonna lie. What would you rate these? 1 through 10. 1 out of 10. Let me know in the comments right now. What would you rate this sneaker? To me, I'm rating this a 10 out of 10. It's 10 out of 10. These are the Jordan 4 brick by brick. Nigel Sylvester. You know, he live in Queens. Well, he born and raised in Queens. And amazing detail. Amazing sneaker that Nike did. You know, I really like when Nike do collaboration with Nigel. You know what I'm saying? I like when they, you know, Nigel do. You know, this is perfect. This is a 7th sneaker. You know, he had Jordan 1s, you know, different silhouettes, you know. But he never did a Jordan 4. And this is the first Jordan 4s, Nigel. And this color is amazing. Look at it. Oh, the suede is amazing. Look at the suede, guys. Oh, my God. The suede is amazing, right? Then you got the bike Nike check in the back, you know, because he ride bikes. You know, he's a biker guy. You know, he ride bikes throughout the city. And now he global with it, you know. He been to Tokyo and etc. You know, it's pretty cool, you know. He really doing it big. Shout out to Nigel, you know. Shout out to Nike. I was lucky enough to hit these sneakers from a raffle. You know what I'm saying? And I love the little hint of the orange right here on the tongue. So this is supposed to be inspired by, like, you know, a brick. You know, that's why they did this color silhouette, because it resembles a brick. And he called it brick by brick, you know, so pretty cool, you know, really, really great. The story behind it is really great, you know. You know, he from Queens, born and raised, you know, started from the grind, from the bottom. Started from the very bottom, you know, and now he's up. Now he's up with Nike. He doing a collaboration, you know. And I think it's really nice. And I really respect Nike for allowing different people to collaborate, to come on there, you know. Yeah, to do, ooh, these are fire. Ooh, smells so good. The suede is so amazing. And the shoelaces is so premium. Like, the shoelaces is so really good. Like, look at the texture of the shoelace. It's really great. Perfect sneaker. And I love, you know, the air bubble, of course. You can't have a Jordan 4s without the air bubble, you know. You know, you have to have the air bubble down the bottom. Perfect for when you're walking all day, you know. This is a casual, nice sneaker. You could dress it up. You could do so many different things. And I think, and this part right here, I like this little hint of red. You know, I like this little hint of red with the Nike check. And yeah, it's a pretty amazing. Let me know, did you get it? It was really limited on sneakers. I did not get this sneaker on sneakers. I took a big L, guys. Huge L. But, you know, woo, smells so good. Oh, man. Amazing sneaker, guys. You do not even know. Like, I think these sneakers may be the sneaker of the year, you know. Might be. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. You know, thank you for always watching my video. I'm going to show you a close-up video, you know, a close-up view of the sneakers, you know. And yeah, guys, you know, Jordan 4s, let me know. Honestly, I don't have a Jordan 4s. I never had a Jordan 4, but this could be my first. But I wear a size 10. So if anybody want a size swap, please let me know. You know, I don't have a size 10. This is a 9, unfortunately. And yeah, I'm just happy to hit it. I got really lucky, guys. I'm not, you know. And, you know, you could do it too. You know, if you're wondering how do I hit these items, just let me know. You know, I have a Discord as well. I'll leave it in the description below. And yeah, you know, I'm on every single platform, mainly Instagram, etc. Just check me out. Look at my you know, check out my description. And thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I want to do a big giveaway for all my subscribers. I really want to do something fun, you know, for everybody that always been watching my videos. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. You know. Y'all heard? Y'all heard? Is lit. And yeah, guys, you know, make sure you stay healthy. You know, make sure you drink your water, all right? No juice, no soda, none of that bull crap, because that's all sugar. You need some water. You need some good, healthy food to keep the energy going. You know, people so about materialistic things, and it's not about that. In 2025, health is wealth. Remember that. Health is wealth. So, with that note, thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. Make sure, you know, you stay lit. You're going to see me in the next release. And yeah, these was pretty. Yeah, guys. So, let me give you a close-up view on these sneakers. Wow. Look at these sneakers. The orange detail. Oh, my God. Bike Nike Air. Now, these sneakers are... It's really amazing. Look at the details. You see the bubble, guys? Look at that. Oh, my God. Look at the texture on it. You see the texture, and then you see the suede. And, of course, you see the box. It comes with, you know. Wow. The details. These sneakers are pretty amazing, you know. Nike did their thing with these. I really... And this color, usually Nike don't usually do orange, you know. There's not many sneakers that's orange, you know. And this is like a nice, really nice orange color with a little hint of white in it, you know. It's perfect. It's perfect, you know. It's perfect. Let me know in the comments what you think. Woo! Look at that. Look at the box. Even the box is creative. Oh, my God. Let me know, did you get your pair? Would you pay resale for these? You know, resale is not too high. So I would say get them now before the summertime, guys. Get it now before it's, you know, before it goes up higher. Because these sneakers are really nice. Really nice. I am not going to lie. And let me know, should I tow it? Honestly, I would tow it. These are definitely a tow, you know. If I had my size. So I may do a size swap. Who knows? Let me know in the comments, should I do a size swap? Or if you want to do a size swap, I'm in New York City. Please let me know. And yeah, amazing sneakers. You cannot go wrong with these. You cannot go wrong. Look at the details. Oh, man. Amazing. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Pretty amazing. Let me know, guys, in the comments what you think. See you later. Calm, you know. Raffle pickup. You know what I'm saying? Really calm. It wasn't crazy. People fighting and all that. But in LA, I heard it was pretty lit. And if you're from LA, let me know. We could do business, you know what I'm saying? We could do business, or wherever you at, we could do business. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know. You know, we could do the Discord. We could do, yeah, let me know, guys. I do different things. I'm an entrepreneur. This is my full time. This is what I do. So yeah, let me know, guys. But these are a beauty. Woo! Let me know in the comments if you like these. And yeah, see you later. Bam! Ooh! Yeah. These are super fire. Super fire.